We are going to cook donut balls. Easy recipe for the beginners. It's so soft. Here our ingredients: all-purpose flour, butter or margarine, milk powder, sugar, egg, salt, yeast, and water, and some vanilla extract. Here we'll start. 1/2 kg all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup white sugar, then we'll add the milk powder, tablespoon, 4 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon yeast, active yeast, and a pinch of salt. Now we will mix all the dry ingredients. Make sure that you mix all together. We'll add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. And then we will add the margarine or butter, 3 tablespoons, soft. Again, we'll mix. Mix until the egg. Then we will add the 230 ml water. And again mix. So this time we're going to knead the dough. Okay. Just knead. Until become like this. Okay, make balls to make sure that all becomes soft. Mix all together properly. So we will grease some butter or margarine. Then close with the clean cloth. Rest for 1 hour. So that will be rice. Okay, now we become like this. Our dough become double and soft. So this time we are going to make balls. Small balls. Here our donut balls. Again, cover with a clean cloth and rest for 1 hour. Here we go. After 1 hour rest. This time we're going to fry our donut balls. Make sure that the oil already hot before you put the balls, the donut balls. Cook with the medium flame and then flip up when become golden brown. Remove from the fire, from the oil. Here we go. Here our donut balls. And here there is milk powder mixed with the sugar powder. The quantity of sugar powder, if 1 cup of milk powder also. Mix together. And we will roll our donut balls. See, look at that. So yummy. Look at inside. Very nice. And very soft. Thank you for watching.